Hello, everybody. It's Travis here to tell you about one of my favorite tools, and it's right here in our Google Suite. We use Google Classroom at my school district, so I find myself using this a lot. I love it. It's called Jamboard, and you can find it in the Google Suite. Let me show you. You go to the Google Waffle and click it. You'll have to scroll down probably a little bit. You'll find Jamboard. There it is. This will open up. And down below here, I use my personal one, my APU one, because the one for my school, I've got so many. But okay, down below here, we got a plus. You click on that, it'll open up a blank Jamboard for you. Now you click your pen, and let's pick a different color here. Boom. Oh, that's a nice color, green. Look at that. You can see I've got some different styles. Let's see, play around with it, have a good time. I will have my students do this. And they can draw photosynthesis or maybe a fish. I don't know what that one is. You can check and they'll be able to see, oh, maybe they label H2O comes in and the oxygen comes out. I'm okay with that, right? I love it. The students love it. I'll encourage them to play around with the colors. Some students will use this just for fun. And one thing I really like about it is I can assign this in Google Classroom. So I'll do this all, I'll set it all up, and maybe just make something where students can label, like label this part, label that part, and I can put it in my Google Classroom and assign it through Google Classroom. It opens up, students are able to color, I make a copy for each of them, and it's super fun, engaging, and a good way to use technology. Thank you.